Welcome to Softaken Excel to vCard Converter software. Your trusted solution for converting Excel contacts into vCard.vCF files with speed, accuracy, and flexibility and full compatibility with popular email clients. Key features of Softaken Excel to vCard Converter software. Batch export Excel contact. Convert multiple contacts from Excel to vCard format in a single operation. Full attribute support. Retains complete contact details including names, phone numbers, emails, and more. Live data preview. Instantly preview loaded Excel data before proceeding with the export. Smart field mapping. Easily map Excel columns to corresponding vCard fields with a user-friendly interface. How to use Softaken Excel to vCard Converter step by step. Step 1. First download the software, then launch the software. Start the application via desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. Step 2. Upload Excel file. Click the Add button and select your Excel file, .xls or .xlsx, containing the contact data. Step 3. Preview and map fields. Once the file is loaded, preview your contact list. Map each Excel column to its appropriate vCard field, then click Add to confirm. Step 4. Verify mapping optional. Use the Preview option in the top menu to double-check and ensure all fields are correctly mapped. Step 5. Export contacts to vCard. Click Export to begin the conversion. Select your preferred vCard version, version 2.1, version 3.0, or version 4.0. Step 6. Choose Output Location. Click Browse to set the destination folder where the converted .vcf files will be saved. Step 7. Advanced Export Options, optional. Customize additional settings if needed, such as creating individual vCards for each contact or merging all into one file. Step 8. Start exporting. Click on Export vCard now to begin the conversion process. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.